Communication is actually a very simple thing. A lot of people trying to complicate it when you don't know what you need to say, or you don't know how to correctly express your thoughts, and then you start going into the weeds, and for a lot of people you're not clear, which is the big problem with the communication. And when you're trying to sell, being not clear actually costs you a lot of money, a lot of opportunities, and a lot of time. So what we're going to do today is discuss top 3 skills that you can acquire to improve your communication skills. Basically, they're very simple. One is just knowing what you want from that interaction is going to help you a lot, because it's having a ship without a steering wheel. It will be just thrown left and right in the ocean, and if there is a storm, like, the ship is going to be broken. But having a steering wheel, having a course, having a destination where you want to lead that conversation is going to help you tremendously win that conversation, because just keep a focus on it and energy will come. You shouldn't apply this to every context. Like, don't try to have a meaning and a purpose in every conversation. For example, you go and you talk with your mom, and then you're like, oh yeah, what do they want to take from this conversation? No. But if you're looking to speak with an interesting person that you always wanted to meet, or somebody that can give you a big contract, or somebody that can get you something in life, try to strategize a little bit and try to think, what do I want from this conversation, and what I can give this person from my end. How can I be helpful? How can I be useful? The second one is going to be asking the right questions, specifically talking about the sales experiences, but not only sales experiences. People hate when you ask them stupid and bullshit questions, and you will understand if you're asking the right question, specifically talking about the sales context, but you can also apply this to the life. If what you're asking can be Googled, there is no way for you to ask that the person when your time, for example, is limited. Or let's say, I don't know, you always wanted to meet an actor, a very famous actor, and then you're not going to go and you're not going to ask, so where you have been born and all this stuff. You're going to Google that up. You would probably want to go and ask something that you're specifically interested in, something that's going to be very, like, how to say it, something that's going to be genuinely interesting for you. Because only when you're genuinely interested for you, that thing is going to hit. Try asking smart, interesting questions, and those questions that will, now switching back to the sales context, those questions that will either help you move forward in the meaning that the person will tell you, yes, that's interesting, or while answering the question, it will help you qualify or disqualify them. Are they a good fit for your product, your services, whatever you want to offer to them? An example of those kind of questions is going to be, let's say this call goes well. What are going to be the next steps? Why is this a problem? How long has it been going on? Something that's not just like, okay, so what do you do? How many people do you have? And all this like entry-level things, because people rarely buy when you ask them entry-level stuff. People buy when you can uncover the problem. In order to uncover the problem and validate the problem and qualify the problem, you would need to ask better questions. And then the third thing is going to be, you need to convey to the person that you're speaking that you're high status in the first 60 seconds of your interaction, ideally. Because what's gonna, and when I say convey that you're high status and that you are powerful, this is gonna help you land, like, everything in your communication is gonna be easier if the person that you're talking with, if they consider you equal, or they even consider you that you're slightly above them. And by slightly above them, I mean in the social hierarchy, because everybody in life is looking really for power. Everybody's looking for somebody that knows the shit, that owns the place, and people respect those kind of people automatically. So it's better if you automatically put yourself in that position, which is going to help you improve your communication. It's going to help you ask the better questions. Your questions will land faster and land better, and will help you achieve your goals more successfully, and yeah, just gonna have more productive conversations. So wishing you to have all of them, all the links that you need to know. Subscribe to the Web3 Sales Gym YouTube channel. If you're not a part of the community, we have it on Telegram. Put a like, share with friends. See you. Bye bye.